Hold up.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new little company that I want to show you that I have worked with in the past, but I only showcased them on Instagram, and I felt like that the YouTube audience needed to know as well. So today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing. I didn't even want to open, I wanted to open them with you. So I didn't even know what this month's Splendies look like, but we will be opening our Splendies. And I want to tell you a little bit about them because I think it's a really cool underwear. It's an underwear subscription that you can get monthly, and they start off at $14.99, and you get 3 pairs of panties every single month. So you know, we be needing drawers, okay? The girls be needing the panties, and we want them to be cute, we want them to be comfortable. We're females, and number one, we like new stuff anyway. When you have a subscription like this, it kind of becomes like a collectible type thing because they're like exclusive designs, and you know, you get them every month, so you're just racking up on your panty stash. That's what I'm gonna call it, a panty stash. Let me open up my stock. I've waited so long. All I did was open it. I didn't even open. See, we didn't open it yet. We're gonna see what styles we have this month. They come in sizes small to 4X, so we have a nice little range of panties to fit all different shapes and sizes. They do say on the site that they do run small. So if you are like questioning or in between, just to be safe, so you want to make sure your panties fit, just size up. So just to be on the safe side, you want to size up because some of the styles may tend to run a little bit smaller or be cut a little bit different. So just to make sure that they fit, just go ahead and size up. Another great thing about Splendies is that they are wanting, it's not only just, you know, just for the consumer. They're not all about the money. They want to do a little charity with it as well. So for everyone that posts a pair of their panties or their package and basically kind of just like shout out Splendies, if you put the hashtag give a pair, they will donate a pair of panties to someone in need. I'm talking off the top of my head. These may not be the exact like type of things that are places they would donate, but this is what I'm thinking. If you're gonna give a pair of panties to someone, who would you think would need panties? Like homeless, domestic violence situations, kids that were a part of domestic violence situations, countries or areas of our own country that are just less fortunate and don't have these type of things, foster care, girls groups, things like that. So if you can do something charitable or just help someone else in need, not even knowing who they are, why wouldn't you want to do that, you know? So let's go ahead and open up the panties and see what styles we got this month. I see color. Ooh, nice and bright for summer. Here for it. Ooh, these are cute. Oh, we got a difference. Okay, I like that. So this month we got different styles. Last month they were all the same cut. They were just different prints. They were all pretty much like a full brief. But this month we have this really cute navy with lace in it. Do y'all know how my buns be chomping on drawers and how I live for thongs because they just disappear? They just disappear between the cheeks, okay? That's all I need. And these are really nice and stretchy. We have good stretch in these. Super cute. You can see it's a quality pair of panties. Quality and affordable. So on the tag it says that these retails for $12 a pair, which is a really good price because y'all, if you're a woman, you know, drawers can get, especially nice panties, expensive, okay? So the next pair we have is this full cut brief. Is it kind of like cheeky? Anyway, we have a cute lace detail, solid gray print in the center, and the lace trimming all around. It's gonna cover the buns. Well, for me, it's gonna have a little cheek action. I feel like these are cheeky. So cute. And then the last pair that we have, which are my favorites, just because of the print, is just so summery to me. These are so freaking cute. Like, look at it, paisley print. We got this red, kind of corally red paisley print with this light, I guess you would call that sky blue. Now what will really be popping, I don't know if Splendies is gonna expand or what, but if they had matching sets, you know, we live for a matching set, okay? Now a bra like this, it's just so cute. Like, I would love to have a matching bra set. So I don't know if Splendies is gonna expand as they get bigger. Absolutely here for it. So I just really want to come on here quick and show you and tell you about Splendies if you had not already heard about them. Like I said, monthly subscription, you get 3 new pairs of panties every month, $14.99 starting off. They have sizes from small to 4XL. And the best thing that I almost forgot is if you use my code, you get $4 off your first month. So you definitely want to go ahead and use that code so you can get $4 off your first month, and then just get in the routine of getting these new panties. You'll just be excited, like, oh, what style I got this month? Oh, what print do I got? Oh, watch me, you know? So definitely use my code to go ahead and start your monthly subscription with Splendies so you can get to see some cute new panties. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can always be notified when I have a brand new upload. You know you want to join the tan band fam, because we be in here like kicking it and whatnot. So come join the fam. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. Stay true.